So, I've been waiting a long time to do this video. I don't know why I haven't done it yet, but I'm gonna just go ahead and do it right now. Bro, I saw outside, right? It was looking pretty gloomy. It looks kind of weird. But it's alright, It doesn't affect my mood. I'm still nice. It's just a little... Man, sometimes I don't even know what I'm talking about, honestly. I'm gonna get some little cinematic thing going on because some people like that, and plus I like it. I like editing it. So, let's go. Alright, I got my sea salt spray here. I'm just going to take this tag off because there's no need for this tag. Because it's not argan oil. It'll be unfortunate if somebody who wants to put argan oil in their head puts salt water in their head. So, yeah. Make sure you take the package off. Package, I mean wrapper. No, what is it called? I don't even know. My mind seems like it's going blank right now. But, yeah. So now that you have your spray right here, all you want to do is shake it up. You saw that I was shaking it up. If y'all wonder how much salt I put in, I wasn't keeping count. I think the amount I put in was pretty much enough. I don't think you need that much salt. Just put a good amount in. If you want to have measurements, I guess like I say like 5 tablespoons of salt for about, I don't know how big this is. I will approximately, maybe, I'm trying to do some mental math calculations, but not for real. I'm trying to like actually think how big this is. I would say this is about 100 milliliters or 200 milliliters right here. So about 5 tablespoons for about 100 or 200 milliliters. But I won't recommend this type of salt. You see, it is sea salt. But I would recommend you get like 100% pure sea salt or whatever. That's what people say to use, but I don't have that, so just making do what it do. But it worked for me, and this is something that will really help your hair lock up. Now, I was just trying to be all cool and fancy when I was, recording it and everything. If I needed an explanation of what I did, I basically, took an empty spray bottle, filled it up with some hot water because I want the salt to dissolve inside, and I don't think it would dissolve as well with cold water. So that's why I put hot water in there. And obviously shake it up, and boom, that's really all you need to do. Now, what does this spray do to your hair? What this spray does to your hair is it helps your hair lock up way faster. Now, you're probably thinking, how does salt and water mix and make your hair lock up? How does that even work? See, the thing is, when the salt and the water mix, right, and it hits your hair, it will dry out your hair. And just using water can dry out your hair, but with salt, like, it makes it really dry. And basically, dry hair locks up the best. So basically what the spray does, for lack of better words, is it dries out your hair. And that allows your hair to lock up faster, and that's why I say this locks up your hair. Now, this is 100% free as long as you have like some sea salt. But anyways, go ahead and shake it up and basically spray it onto your whole head. When I started locking up my hair, I just sprayed it all around my head. Actually, I have a dreadlock that I need to spray with sea salt spray. This dreadlock. I'm just go ahead and spray it down. And you don't really need to use that much. And now I'm just going to twist it. And if I don't know, this is a new dreadlock I'm starting. And basically, yeah. And that's really the process. Sorry if this video was a little short, but basically the process is really that simple. All this does is locks up your hair, dries out your hair, so your hair can lock up better. So yeah, if this video helped you out, please make sure to like the video. If you want to see more videos from me, please make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you will never miss out on another video from me. And with that being said, I love you all, and I'll see you all in the next video.